You know that moment when you're stuck in a noisy airport, searching for a seat, and wishing for just a little peace before your next flight? That's exactly the problem LoungeKey promises to solve. With a few taps on your phone, it gives you access to airport lounges all around the world. Quiet spaces with food, Wi-Fi, and comfort. But in 2026, when travel perks are everywhere and competition is fierce, is LoungeKey really the best travel app out there? Let's find out. The idea behind LoungeKey is simple. You connect your eligible credit card or account to the app, and it instantly shows you which airport lounges you can access. You can browse by airport, check available amenities, see opening hours, and even track your lounge visits. The goal is convenience, turning what used to be a premium luxury into something any frequent traveler can enjoy. LoungeKey claims to offer access to over 700 lounges across the globe. Some users get complimentary entries, others pay a small fee depending on their card tier. You can even bring a guest or family member, depending on your membership rules. For many travelers, this sounds like a dream, especially when you compare it to crowded terminals and overpriced airport coffee. But, as with any service, there's more to the story. Let's start with the good. The app itself is clean and easy to use. It shows real-time updates on lounge availability and helps you plan your trip better. Many users love that it works with multiple bank partners and travel cards, meaning you don't have to juggle different apps or memberships. If you're a frequent flyer, that's a huge plus. Now, the not-so-good. LoungeKey access isn't always guaranteed. Sometimes, even if your card says you're eligible, lounges might deny entry due to full capacity, limited partnerships, or confusing fine print. Some users have also mentioned issues verifying their cards or logging into the app when traveling abroad. And in rare cases, lounge staff may charge unexpected guest fees that weren't clearly listed in the app. Another point worth noting is that LoungeKey's coverage, while large, isn't universal. Smaller airports or regional destinations might not have any partner lounges at all. For some users, this makes it feel less like a guaranteed perk and more like a bonus that occasionally works out. However, when it does work, the experience is excellent. Lounges often include comfortable seating, free snacks and drinks, high-speed Wi-Fi, and showers, a lifesaver during long layovers. If you travel internationally even a few times a year, this can completely change the way you experience airports. So, is LoungeKey the best travel app in 2026? It depends on how often you fly and what you expect. For frequent travelers with eligible cards, it's a powerful and convenient benefit. It simplifies lounge access and brings genuine comfort on the go. But for casual flyers, or for those expecting unlimited free access, it may not deliver as consistently as they'd hope. The final verdict: LoungeKey remains one of the most practical travel apps in 2026. It's not flawless. There are occasional access issues and limitations, but when used right, it's an excellent companion for anyone who values comfort while traveling. If this review helped you decide whether to try LoungeKey, make sure to share it, leave a comment, and check out our next review. Travel smart, stay comfortable, and keep exploring the world your way.